everyone! In today's video, I'm sharing with you my brow routine and several of my favorite brow products. It has taken me such a long time to figure out my eyebrow routine, it's not good. So if it has taken me this long to figure out my eyebrows, I am sure there are others out there that need help or maybe a little bit of direction. You don't have to follow these specific rules. Everybody finds something that works best for them, so I encourage you to do whatever works for you. This is just an eyebrow routine that has been working for me. Also, I have my pumpkin in the background. I love fall and I'm really pushing it to happen very quickly, and it's not quite yet, so I need to calm down. In fact, I really wanted to go get a pumpkin spice latte today, but I did not. Instead, I have my water. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. I do make beauty content throughout the week, so when you hit that notification bell, it lets you know when I upload. This is the On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer by Adora Beauty. Adora Beauty was kind enough to send me this brow pencil to review for you guys. I have never heard of this brand, Adora Beauty, but I checked out their webpage and their Amazon page and they look like a really nice brand. Their products look decent. Now, as far as their On Point Micro Tip pencil is concerned, I am amazed. I was genuinely impressed the first time I used this. First of all, to clarify, I don't get paid to say any of these words. They have 3 shades. They have a light, medium, and dark shade. I chose the shade in Cafe Latte, which is their medium. This color is just a little bit too reddish for me, but it does work for my eyebrows. First, I wanted to show you guys how pigmented this pencil is. It is very pigmented. So that can be a good thing, but it can also be a bad thing. If you go in with a heavy hand like I do with Anastasia Brow Wiz, you will end up getting like a harsh structure to your eyebrows. Definitely go in with a light hand with this pencil. You do not need to use a lot of product. A little bit of this goes a very long way. The lightest touch of this pencil will give you the color that you need to get that natural brow shape. Whereas this one, you can press down a little bit harder and really develop and build the eyebrow to how you want it. So the Anastasia Brow Wiz will take a little bit more time. This precise, more pigmented On Point Adora pencil definitely has a lot more color payoff than the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this one feels a little bit more creamy but not waxy. This does come with a little brush at the tip. The Anastasia Brow Wiz tip is a little bit longer, but they're very similar in shape. This is a very fine tip compared to the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I love the shape that I get with my eyebrows when I use this. I tried to keep it very natural today. I used this pencil to get my eyebrows today, and I'm just going to kind of show you the process as to how I got it. So right here I'm taking my Adora pencil and I am brushing my eyebrows up, because once you do this, it will help us figure out the shape that we need for our eyebrows. So right here I'm taking my pencil and I am lining the bottom of my eyebrow. This is going to make the process a little bit easier for when you actually go in with filling in the eyebrow. Just start right here and it'll be a lot easier for you. Then right here I'm using like an upward stroking motion to slowly fill in my eyebrows. With this pencil it's actually pretty precise and you get a really nice color. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this a little bit so you can see how I'm filling it in and getting the color that I want. And as you can see, the shape is starting to develop. So I like brushing my eyebrows again with this brush here, because it does make it blend together more. So that's why I'm doing that right here. It seems to really blend the color together, and I just notice a difference in the shape of my eyebrow when I go back in with this brush and just really brush the hairs together and make sure that the colors are all the same and blended together. And right here I'm going in with my ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. This just is helping make sure that all of my eyebrows stay in place. So I'm just going in and making sure that my eyebrows are coated with this gel. With this gel, you do have to make sure that you go back in and press the gel into your eyebrows. Otherwise it just leaves like some sort of like white cast on your eyebrows. So that's what I'm doing right here. My eyebrows look much fuller and more natural with this pencil than they do with my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I will be switching to this eyebrow pencil now, which is saying a lot. I honestly did not think that I was going to love this as much as I do. I'm still on the hunt for a cheaper one, but this is a good alternative to the Anastasia Brow Wiz. If your holy grail is the Anastasia Brow Wiz, I think you would really like this On Point micro tip pencil. I think you'll be really surprised. The only negative thing I have to say about it is that they don't have an amazing color range. Anastasia Brow Wiz's have an amazing shade range. This company does not. So that is going to hold you back, then that's that. You can get this product off of Amazon, or you can go to their website, and I will link this product in the description box below so you guys can find it really easily. I do have a coupon down below for you guys if you choose to buy this pencil. I don't get any money out of it. It's just for your convenience. If you want to get this pencil, you can get it at a discount if you use my code SARAH20. One thing that I have noticed with this micro tip brow definer is that you do need a brow styling gel, or brow setting gel. I use either my ColourPop Brow Boss gel or my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Both of these work really well. I prefer my ColourPop one. It is more affordable and much more user-friendly. You do have to press it in just a little bit every time you use it, but that just gets rid of the white cast that is left on your eyebrows. But once you press it in, it is set in place and it will not budge. This doesn't make my eyebrows last as long as the ColourPop Brow Boss gel, so just keep that in mind, and this is a little bit more expensive, but I do like using this with my pencils. With my brow pomades, I prefer to use the ColourPop Brow Boss gel. I will most likely be using my ColourPop Brow Boss gel for the majority of my eyebrow looks, but yeah, you need to get your hands on the Brow Boss gel from ColourPop if you can, because that is the best stuff to exist. A few other brow products that I do truly love include the Benefit Ka-Brow pomade. I recently mentioned this in my favorites video. This is the shade 3.5. I love pomades. They work really well on my eyebrows. I used to do my eyebrows very harshly with brow pomades. This one is very easy to blend out. The Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade is a great product. This does get intense. You only need a little bit. I have made that mistake several times, so just a hint. I love using this one more than my Anastasia Brow Pomade, actually. It is a little bit easier to blend out and it's not as harsh. So that is one reason why I do like this Benefit Ka-Brow Pomade. Another brow product that I do fall back on sometimes are the ColourPop Brow Boss products. If I need a quick restock on one of my brow products but I need it to be cheap, I will go for the ColourPop Brow Boss pencils. They're really cheap and they do have a good selection of colors for you on their website. My eyebrow routine is very simple. There's not much that goes into it, but then again, sometimes the simple things are the things that do well. That is all that I have for you guys in today's video. This was a quick short video just showing you my brow routine. Eyebrows for sure can either break or make your look, so just wanted to give out a couple tips that I've learned, and hopefully this was helpful to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will be sure to put out more videos like this. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye.